Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I appreciate you all, my OGs. You guys are all amazing. Thank you for the constant love and support you all show me here. My goodness. I wish I can really express how I feel. I mean, I see your love, I see your comments, I see how you guys support me, and I can't thank you all enough. To my new viewers, I'm referring to those stopping by for the first time. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love you to be part of the family by subscribing to Becky the Mommy's YouTube channel. This mama would really love you to be part of her YouTube family. Now my darlings, for today's vlog, mama is prepping. Just as you can see in the pot, I'm prepping down some tomato mixture I want to use to make tomato paste. Okay, so in the pot I have fresh tomato, I have fresh jumbo pepper, I have tatashi pepper as well, and then I have fresh scotch bonnet pepper. That's what it's called, right? And then I added garlic and ginger. I don't think I filmed the part where I added those. Okay, so those are just practically the ingredients that I use in making my tomato paste. I use this paste to make stew whenever I want to cook stew, or I use it to make jollof rice or sauce. Okay, and then I also had meat on the other pot that I'm steaming. This is cow leg because I intend using it to cook okra soup for my family. You guys, the reason why I'm actually cooking this food is because I have been doing back and forth hospital trip. Okay, I would be doing more explanation towards the end of the video, so please keep watching. I mean, I'm going to be explaining further in regards to the whole hospital back and forth trip. Okay, so you want to keep watching. My darling, this fourth baby pregnancy journey has been has been a roller coaster. Like, seriously, it's been tough. It's really been tough. You know, for someone who has had 3 smooth pregnancy journeys, I mean uneventful pregnancy journey from 1 to 9 months, no iota of complications. I can tell you for a fact that this 4th one has been a rough ride, and I'm saying this in terms of medical reports and all. Like, you go to antenatal, and each time you go to antenatal with fear, because you don't know the next thing the doctor is going to tell you that is wrong with you or that is wrong with the baby. That is the journey I have been in. Like, it's been a very rough one. Like I said, I'm going to lay more emphasis towards the end of the video. So yeah, it's been a tough one, and this pregnancy has, you know, opened my eyes to appreciate life more. This pregnancy journey has taught me to appreciate those around me more. See, you guys, I love my kids, I love my husband, I appreciate God's blessings in my life, but this whole tough journey has made me to, you know, appreciate them even more. It has made me to embrace them even closer. You know, when you go through a near-death experience and then you tell God, please give me a second chance. And you know, when God gives you this second chance, make sure you hold on to those people you love. Make sure you bring them even closer than you've ever done. Make sure you express your love to them every day. Make sure you tell those people you love that you love them. Whisper it to their ears. If you have to say it 1,000,000 times a day, say it to them. Say it to them. Say it to them. Tell them you love them. Embrace them. Buy them gifts. Make them happy for no reason, because just 1 second, within a blink of an eye, you're not sure if you are going to have that chance again to hold them, to love them, to express your emotions, your oh Jesus. One of the ways I bond with my kids is cooking with them. I always love utilizing that moment because it really gets them excited. Sometimes I tell my girls, add the seasoning cubes, add salt, or add 1 or 2 ingredients. It gets them really excited. Okay, and now my son has joined. As you can see, I'm carrying him while I was cleaning the fish, but I didn't know that the camera was not set properly, so it didn't really get to show him well. Meanwhile, guys, please love your family, love your children, love your husband, those that are dear to you. Draw them closer, embrace them closer. I'm sorry I got a bit emotional while I was talking earlier. But then again, this is life. Okay, let's learn to embrace and hold what we have tightly. Yeah, let's not let them lose. Let's hold them tightly because You never know. You never know. You never know. Now that brings us to this part of the video where I get to tell you guys what I have been dealing with. Ever since the pregnancy progressed to third trimester, it's been one news or the other. Whenever I go for my antenatal, it's as if I'm already expecting the doctor to say one horrible news. Okay, the last time I went for my antenatal, I was told that I was having partial anemia. Okay, and I was told, or rather, they recommended foods that I should be taking, of which I have shared that with you guys in the other videos. The fruits, the drinks, the smoothies that I've been taking. Even there is no food that I eat right now that does not have vegetable in it. Okay, so every food I eat right now must have vegetable in it. So yeah, I have been following the doctor's recommendation, and even the medications that doctor prescribed. I've been taking it, and there has been no improvement in terms of each time I go to the hospital, I will hear one thing or the other, or they will keep me back on admission. So they've been managing this pregnancy. So my darlings, after I finished cooking that food, the night after I finished cooking the food, something happened. I went into, should I call it seizure? Like I started shaking, seriously. I was having a very bad fever. My temperature was very high. My body temperature was very, very high. And then I was shivering, and my chest was tightening, like I couldn't breathe properly. It was as if, my goodness. You guys, I just woke up and found myself in the hospital. This is their emergency section where I found myself. And from here, it's been something else. You guys will be seeing more in my next vlog. Okay, I would explain more in the next video. For now, my darlings, thank you for watching. I don't want to start crying again. Let me just be able to control myself, and then I will continue the story in the next video. Okay? Bye-bye for now.
Anda.